Welcome to TechBoss again. In this video I'm going to show you the review of the smallest phone I ever see. I'm not saying that this is the smallest phone, but the smallest phone I never see. And also in my next video I'm going to show you the smallest fan in the earth, the smallest fan I ever see, and you will only connect it to the to your mobile phone. It take Android, it take Type-C, it take iPhone charger. So hit on the subscribe button so when I upload that video you can get notification. And let's start the review of the smallest phone in the earth. Okay, here you can see the screen and the phone size on the back of the package. I also going to write them on the screen, so but you can see them, you can see here. So it's very meaningful. So now I'm just showing you the back, and it's made in China. I don't know either it's a phone on the market or you can get some on Amazon or what, but I just like to share my anything. I'm touching my I'm a technology man, so anything I see new in my life, I like to share it with my audience. That's why I'm sharing this video with you. So you can see the accessories. This one I'm going to show you what this one also will do. So let's do the unboxing before starting the review. You can see all the accessories with the smallest phone in the earth. So I can even hold it with only my one finger. This is the charger cable. It use Android charger, so that's the charger cable. And let's go. And this is the sometimes if you are on motor or in car, you can use it as a Bluetooth, but it's not Bluetooth. But how you have people insert the Bluetooth, how do you call it, the previous Bluetooth you can connect to your mobile phone. How people use it, that device, that small Bluetooth device, you can use it like that. You can see the phone, you can see it is very small phone. I can even hold it with only my one finger or two fingers. It's a very small phone. It's very small phone. So I don't know if you are you can see the back, you can see the battery, see everything. It's very small phone. And also I'm going to show you, let's see the charging system. You can see is Android charger, the old one, not Type-C. The old one, Android charger, is take Android charger, and it take only one SIM card. And it's what it surprised me more, like it take also SD card. I don't know how many size it can take, but it also take SD card. So that's very good about it. And also we are going to do the menu. I'm going to on it so like you can see the menu. Either you can play music or not, or but I know it's not taking like how do you call it, it's not taking picture. So let me tell you about that. It's not taking picture. Okay, now you can see the I'm on it. Let's on it now. This is the welcome, the wallpaper. This is the wallpaper, and now I'm dialing the number. You can see everything is working very perfect. You don't need to insert how do you call it, any earpiece or headset before receive call, or connect any Bluetooth before receive call. You can receive call directly because you have your own speaker, you have your own mic. So this is the phone book message. You can see the media. Let's go to the media, open the media. You can see you can play audio, record, but you can't play. I don't think you can play. You can open picture or more. So these the settings. Let's see some few settings about it. You can see you can set time, you can do factory reset. I think you can go in internet, but I don't believe it's going to be faster. So that one I don't know how to say about it, but at least it can go to internet, and it can make call, it can write message, it can write message like manual phone. This is how it. So you insert that black rubber and put it in your ear. If when someone call you, you can receive call. And don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so when I upload that video you can get notification. Thank you for this video.